If you're getting into 3D printing in 2026, choosing the right printer can completely change your experience. Some machines are built for speed, some for precision, and others for multicolor creativity, but not all of them are worth your money. So in this video, I've picked the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026 based on performance, features, reliability, and value for money. And don't worry, I've included options for beginners, makers, and even advanced users. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. First up is the FLASHFORGE AD5X, one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers right now. This machine is built around a CoreXY structure, which allows it to reach speeds up to 600 millimeters per second without losing stability. It also supports multicolor printing, which is a huge advantage if you want detailed models, prototypes, or creative designs. You also get one-click auto leveling, direct drive extruder up to 300 degrees Celsius, 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters build volume. Pros: extremely fast printing speed, multicolor capability, beginner-friendly auto leveling, solid CoreXY stability. Cons: build volume is average, slightly expensive compared to basic printers. This is perfect if you want speed plus multicolor creativity in one machine. Number 2. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Next is the Adventurer 5M, designed for users who want fast and simple printing without complications. Fully automatic leveling, up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed, 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, all-metal CoreXY frame, quick detachable nozzle system. This printer focuses heavily on ease of use and consistency, making it great for beginners and small businesses. Pros: very easy setup, reliable auto leveling, high-speed performance, low-maintenance design. Cons: no multicolor support, basic design compared to premium models. This is ideal if you want a fast plug-and-play 3D printer. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X 4-color IFS version. This is another version of the AD5X, but with a 4-color IFS system, making it much more powerful for creative printing. Multicolor, up to 4 colors. Fully automatic leveling. 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing. 300 degrees Celsius nozzle temperature support. 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters build area. Pros: advanced multicolor system, excellent print quality, very fast printing, great for prototypes and models. Cons: slightly complex setup for beginners, more expensive consumables. This one is best for designers, artists, and advanced users. Number 4. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Now we move to the Creality K1C, a serious competitor in the high-speed printing category. 600 millimeters per second ultra-fast printing. AI camera for monitoring prints. 300 degrees Celsius clog-free extruder. Carbon fiber filament support. Silent mode operation. This printer is built for professional-level performance and material flexibility. Pros: supports advanced materials like carbon fiber, AI monitoring camera, extremely fast printing, very stable structure. Cons: slightly complex for beginners, higher learning curve, best suited for engineers, professionals, and advanced hobbyists. Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. We have the FLASHFORGE AD5M, a balanced option between performance and simplicity. Fully automatic calibration. Up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed. CoreXY all-metal structure. Quick swap nozzle system. 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters build size. Pros: easy maintenance, very fast printing, great for beginners and pros, stable and reliable output. Cons: no multicolor features, limited build size. This is a safe all-rounder choice for most users. And that's a wrap for today's video on the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. If you're planning to get into 3D printing, the key is choosing a machine that matches your goals, whether that's fast prototyping, detailed models, or multicolor creative printing. All the products I mentioned are linked in the description, so you can easily check the latest prices and decide what fits your budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming tech reviews and buying guides. And now I want to hear from you. Which 3D printer would you pick from this list? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.